fields I've planted with my hands. I love you more than morning prayers or peace or food to eat. I love you, sunlight, more than flesh or joy or one more day. I love you more than God.
I'd never have a day like this again, would I? It's better this way. It's all right. Bob. Look at you. It's all right. It's all right. No. No. Good night, Paul. Well, this falls, John. We're as close